Yes, peace of Allah be upon you. Here I wash you are you are fine and I am fine. So Alhamdulillah, give his healthy the sick honestly. We are healthy to celebration on the fasting precision days of the day world or of the day world, a day that every student is feels happy, a day that our second present is who synthesis like the gift of our life and took us from the darkest and brought us life feels happy. This is my teacher. Really, this day is so much greeting from me because I am reading someone of this is more than what I am reading. Noted that predecessor teacher you can feel how happy I am today, how much happy I am. Happy I am very very thankful to Allah. And secondly, my parent is all the teacher is precision teacher Muhammad Ali Ibrahim. That he is the best teacher in our life. That is I have so good by all of you ladies and gentlemen.